Hi children, how are you? Yeah, it's nice to hear that you're doing good. Hope you have gone through the previous videos and you're studying well, you're reading wherever it is necessary and learning whatever is necessary. Okay children, today we are going to do with a complete new topic, that is food we eat. It's a common topic, right? Which we see around us every day, every minute. We see so much of food and we are going to learn what exactly it is. Let's get started. It's video number 102 and the page numbers are 155, 156 and 157. You have so much of food. So let's see what it says. Children, there are three main points which you need to know when you speak about food. Food is very essential to keep our body healthy and fit. That is the first one. I'll explain it for you. Food is very essential to keep our body healthy and fit. It provides us energy and also protects us from diseases. It provides us energy and protects us from diseases. It contains nutrients. So what are the 3 points? Food is essential to keep us healthy. It helps us to keep healthy and fit. First thing, it makes us healthy and fit. Then it gives us energy and protect us from diseases. And then it contains lots of nutrients. So let's see what these 3 sentences mean. My little ones, I would like to tell you all something is, when it comes to healthy and fit, we all eat every day, right? 3 times a day and some eat 4 times a day including the snacks, right? And some eat only 2 times a day. My little ones, when you eat good food and in the right amount, you feel active, energetic, and you feel like to run about and do such a lots of work. You feel like to study, you feel like to learn, you feel like to write. But instead, if you don't eat properly, good food, I use the word good because I'll tell you the difference between good food and junk food. If you don't eat good food, you feel weak, you cannot write, you feel tired. Little work you do, little you read, little you write, you're tired. Mama, my hands are paining. Dada, my hands are paining. That's how you feel weak because you're not eating proper food. Whereas if you eat good food, you'll become strong, you'll be happy always, you run about, you are ready to write, you're ready to do any work which is given because you're healthy and you're fit because you're eating good balanced diet. What is balanced diet? I'll tell you in the coming video. Nutrients. Our food has so many nutrients. This also we'll be learning in the next slides. When it comes to the next slide, I'll be explaining in detail. My little ones, these nutrients are very, very important for us. It's not only one nutrient we have to take, there are around 5 nutrients. So if you take only one type of nutrients, it's not good. If you don't take one nutrient and take all the 4 nutrients, that's not good. You have to take all these 5 nutrients in correct amount. How to take it and all we'll see in the coming slides. Now my little ones, the food what we get, it is from plants and animals. So animals give us food and plants give us food. So my little ones, you are going to learn in the worksheet number 155 what actually food is and what are the different types of fruits around you. You have animals and plants which give you food, varieties of fruits, varieties of vegetables, varieties of meats, varieties of dairy products, isn't it? These all foods keep us healthy and fit. They make us healthy and fit. They give us energy to read, write and do so many works. They protect us from diseases. We don't get cold easily. We don't fall sick easily. If you are taking good food, you do not fall sick easily. Some children or some big people, for simple reasons, they start sneezing. For simple reasons, they get sick. They get that disease, this disease and all. But for some who eat good amount of food and good quantity of food, nothing happens for them. They are protected from diseases and they have lots of nutrients in their body. So let's see how this goes on. You might have seen when you go to a food mart or Lulu or any mall or a fruit shop, you find varieties of fruits around us, isn't it? What does the fruits do? These fruits are naturally sweet, isn't it? These fruits are naturally sweet. No need to add sugar in it. They are sweet to taste. Most of the fruits are sweet to taste and they have different nutrients. All nutrients are not there in one fruit. For example, if you take an apple, sweet fruits like apple, custard apple, these fruits are sweet. They contain one variety of nutrient. But some fruits are little sour like orange, pineapple. These are the fruits which are little sour. These have different types of nutrients. So each fruit has different types of nutrients. Then fruits keep us healthy and strong. So my little children, it is said that a person must eat at least one fruit a day. One fruit a day, maybe an apple a day, maybe a banana a day, maybe an orange a day, a piece of papaya a day, a piece of guava a day, any fruit. Any fruit. If it is all big fruits, cut a small piece and eat. If it is small fruit, eat it as it is, the whole thing. So the examples of fruits what we have are oranges, apples, bananas, strawberries. We have so many fruits. Not only these, you have more fruits around you. You have papaya, you have so many fruits, pears, mangoes and watermelon. There are so many fruits. If you look here, you can find them. There are so many fruits. Some people might have seen, some might have not seen. If you go to Lulu, what do you find? All the fruits are kept in one place. It's so nice to see, isn't it? Different types of fruits and vegetables. That is my most favorite part of Lulu. I love to go to the section where they put fruits and vegetables. It's so nice to see. It's so nice to pick up from that and put it in your basket. They are so fresh and they are so reasonable price and we get it nice. So it's better to eat one fruit a day. At least one fruit a day. Any fruit. Any fruit. Because all people are not same, right? Some are rich, some are poor, some are middle. All people cannot afford to eat fruits every day. So you may say, Miss, I don't have money to eat fruit every day. So can you eat one banana a day? Banana is called as a wholesome food. Banana is very good for health. It's called as wholesome food. Eat one banana a day. That is enough. In that way, eat the fruits whatever you can. Okay, children? Now, we have vegetables. In worksheet number 156. Turn to page number 156. You have vegetables. There are so many examples of vegetables. Potatoes, spinach, chili, peas, then you have carrots, cabbage, and it goes on and on. There are so many vegetables around us. They are countless, right? You cannot count how many vegetables are there. So many are there. So all are very good for health. What do vegetables do? They are the source of nutrients. They give us the nutrients which are needed for our body. So my little one, leafy vegetables. You might have seen leafy vegetables, right? Chira or something, you say, all the green color leaves. Leafy vegetable means the leaves which you cook and eat. Either some people eat by salad, some people cook and eat, some people put in dal, some put in sambar, some make it as a curry, some people eat it raw. Whichever way, it is good to eat leafy vegetable because you will not get specks like me. I did not eat leafy vegetable. I don't like. That's why I got these specks. It spoiled my eyesight. So you all must eat leafy vegetable so that you won't get specks like miss. Okay? Okay children. Now these leafy vegetables are very good for eyes. It is a good to eat one raw vegetable a day. I said when we were doing the fruits, one fruit a day, isn't it? Vegetables everybody can eat. One tomato one day. Monday you eat a tomato. Tuesday you eat a carrot. Thursday you eat a beetroot. Okay children? Like that, keep according to the days. One day, one vegetable. Just small one is enough. Not necessary whole 1 kg you will eat as a meal. One small one at a time. Okay? So now, next we have is, there are some seeds also which we eat. We eat fruits, we eat vegetables which we get from plants. We also eat some seeds. What are those seeds? You might be wondering, Miss, how can we eat seeds? Yes, seeds are like, first let us see with cereals. In seeds, you have many seeds which you and I eat every day. Seeds we eat. Cereals, these are grains. Cereals are the grains with energy-rich food. The cereals what we eat are energy-rich food. You might be wondering, what are these cereals? What are those? Cereals are nothing but wheat, oats, rice, maize. We all eat rice every day, isn't it children? Rice is nothing but cereals. Wheat. We eat wheat. We make chapatis out of wheat flour. We eat. That is nothing but cereal. We eat corn. Maize is nothing but corn. Corn, sometimes we boil and eat, we fry and eat. The big corn, small corn. We eat different sizes corns, right? It's very tasty. Sweet corn, normal corn. That is nothing but maize. They are cereals. My little ones, wheat flour, we make it into powder and we use it for chapati and making bread. Chapati and making bread. The cereals, wheat is a cereal, you powder it, put it in a container and mama makes chapati for you. And she bakes bread for you with wheat. That is nothing but cereal. Then rice. Rice you eat as rice, mixing curries, curds, whatever dishes you have. Then even you make rice flour to make appam, idli and etc. So when you make wheat into flour, it makes chapatis and bread. When you make rice into rice flour, it helps in making idlis, dosas or appam, whichever dish you like. And these are the things. We have wheat, it looks like this. Maize, this is maize. Maize looks like this. You have rice of different color, red rice, white rice, brown rice. Then you have oats, which nearly every family has it. Okay children? So now, let's go for the next one. Cereals are done. The next we have pulses. You might be wondering what are pulses. My little children, now after seeing this video, I want you to go to the kitchen and ask Mama to show you all these things. All these things are there in everybody's kitchen. Normally, all these things are bought to use it in a family. We have soya beans, kadala curry, right? Then we have red gram which you used to make dal. We have white chickpeas. Then we have your red kidney beans. Then you have split gram. Then you have cow peas. You have black gram beans. These are all in your kitchen. Most of them use these. Some of them might not be having it, but please ask your mama or papa, grandma, whoever is at home, after seeing the video, please go to the kitchen and don't take it in your hand and see, just open the lid of the container and without touching it, you can see it and keep it back. Now my little ones, what are pulses? You might be wondering, pulses are also seeds. These are also seeds. If you put these in the ground, plant will grow. That's why we call them as seeds. And the main pulses are red gram, black gram, kidney beans, chickpeas, horse gram. They are the names of these pulses. And you know, what do we make with these pulses? You eat dal, isn't it? We make dal, isn't it? Most of the families make it. We make sambar for idli and dosa, right? That is made with this pulses. Then some make curry, kadala curry, beans curry, right? So those are made with as a curry, and sometimes even we eat as snacks. Children, keep these, take it in a small container, wash it, tie it in a clean towel, keep it hanging in the sun. In your kitchen window you can tie it, and just sprinkle water every day evening for 2 days. And you can see the third day, small roots, white color seedling comes out. And that you can just put some salt, pepper and eat it. It is very, very healthy snack. That's why we use the word snack. Now next my children, we have nuts. What are nuts? Coconut, almond, pistachios, right? So we have here, they are very tasty, and what does they do? They give us energy, right? And we also call these as tasty snacks. We sometimes roast it in ghee and we eat it. Sometimes just like that. You will be writing your worksheets, one side you will be eating. It's a very tasty and healthy snack. We use, and it gives us lots of health because lots of nutrients are there in that. And the examples are almond, cashews, pistachios, walnut, coconuts, right? So many we have. When you open a dry fruits box, you contain all these. So here you have walnuts. I don't like walnuts. I don't like the taste of walnuts, but I enjoy pistachios and cashews. But walnuts, I don't. My kids eat, but I don't like the relish, the taste. But some of you all might be liking, some of you all might not like it. All these are the nuts which are very, very healthy for food. No need to cook them, no need to soak them, no need to do anything. Just wash it and eat it. It's very healthy and good for you. Then children, the last one, we have oils. You might be wondering, what are oils? If you have seen in your kitchen, this is all the kitchen things we are going to learn today and 2 more videos. It is like when mama starts cooking, you might have noticed in one corner on the platform, she might have kept a container for oil, right? First, when she starts cooking, she ons the stove, she puts the pan. The first thing, what does she do? She pours oil into it, isn't it? Why? Oil adds taste for the food what we cook. And it has to be added in a limit, not more. If you have more oil, it's very bad for health. So limited, she puts oil and then she puts all the things what all is needed for making curry, sambar, dal, whatever the dish, right? So my little ones, we get oil from different things like groundnut, you get groundnut oil, from sunflower, you get sunflower oil, from mustard, you get mustard oil, and from coconut, you get coconut oil. Not only these, you have olive oil too, which is very, very tasty also. Okay, there are so many types of oils in the market, but these are a few which we commonly use it in the kitchen. So my little ones, what does this do? We are saying balanced diet. Balanced diet means eating food in correct amount. For example, I say if you are supposed to eat 1 cup of rice, you are eating 2 cups of rice. Is it good? No. You are supposed to eat 1 cup of rice. 1 cup of rice is enough. You are supposed to eat 2 chapatis. Eat only 2 chapatis. Don't ask mommy, mommy give me more. Mommy give me more. No. You are at age of 6 years. You need to eat 2 chapatis or 1 chapati. That is enough. Okay children? That is called balanced diet. If you keep eating more than your age, that is not a balanced diet and it is not good for health. Okay children, now let's see general recap of everything. We learned that food is very essential for our body, for growth, health and to be fit. Food is essential for us, for our body to grow, be healthy and to be fit. We get food from plants and animals too. And then plants give us vegetables, fruits, isn't it? Which we eat. And then we have some seeds which we eat, cereals we eat like rice, maize, wheat, etc. These are either eaten as seeds or sometimes we make it flour and use it for making chapatis, bread, appam and so. Then we have pulses, black gram, then horse gram, we have kidney beans, chickpeas and all which we make curries, we make sambar, we make snacks and we eat it. Then we have nuts, cashew nut, pistachios, almonds, walnuts. These are all nuts which are used as healthy snacks. Without cooking, you can just eat maybe 2 pistachios, 2 kajus, 2 almonds every day. That will make a good for your health. Then you have seeds which also give us oil. When you grind these sunflower seeds, it gives us oil. When you grind groundnut, it gives us oil. That is useful for our cooking. Now my children, this is what you have learnt in worksheets from 155 to 157 and these are the things which we learned. Food. Food is good for our health to keep us fit. Plants give us fruits and vegetables. We have varieties of vegetables. We eat some seeds which is very good for health. All these are meant to be good for health if we eat in a right amount. Otherwise, it's bad. Okay children, that's it for today. Have a great time. Thank you so much.